The best of the recitation of the Quran is that which happens at night. Why? Because in the hadith, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam has been described by Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhuma that he used to meet Jibreel alayhi salam every night of Ramadan, and he used to study the Quran with him. Allah Azza wa Jal would send Jibreel to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam at night, and he would read the Quran with him at night. So the best time to read the Quran is the night. This is why at-Taraweeh was made at night. And the main pillar of at-Taraweeh is the recitation of the Quran, which happens at night. So the recitation at night is much more virtuous than the recitation during the day. And even then, in both cases, there is reward. But do not forget to give some of the night some Quran, especially in the last third of the night. But in Ramadan, there's something special. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, he mentions that when a third of the night is over, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends. In other words, every night of the year, Allah Azza wa Jal descends in the last third of the night. Except in Ramadan, Allah Azza wa Jal descends in the last 2/3 of the night. فأنت get up before as-suhoor, get up before Salat al-Fajr, and have some time in where you read the Quran, where you have some 2 rak'at. Do that and you will find a change. You'll experience a change during that night and during that day.